A single Boeing airplane can cost more than $400 million. But here's the crazy part. A modern Boeing jet contains more than 6 million individual parts. And if even one tiny component fails, hundreds of lives could be at risk. So how does Boeing build some of the largest and most advanced airplanes on Earth? We'll follow the complete journey of a Boeing aircraft, step by step. From raw materials to robotic assembly, thousands of workers, millions of parts, years of engineering, all coming together to create one of the most advanced flying machines on Earth. Every Boeing airplane begins long before the factory floor. It starts with raw materials.
Inside Boeing's factories, raw aluminum sheets are stacked in enormous warehouses. Some parts come from Japan. Others arrive from Germany, Italy, Canada, because modern airplanes are global machines.
This isn't ordinary metal. It's aerospace-grade aluminum, lightweight, strong, and built for extreme conditions. Reducing weight means lower fuel costs. And lower fuel costs can save airlines millions of dollars every year. But modern Boeing aircraft don't rely only on metal anymore. Many sections are now built using advanced carbon fiber composites.
Once the materials arrive, the shaping process begins. Giant CNC machines cut aluminum with incredible precision.
Robotic laser systems cut openings for windows, doors, and structural sections. Everything must be nearly perfect. Carbon fiber materials are placed inside enormous pressure ovens called autoclaves, where heat and pressure transform them into ultra-strong aircraft components. Slowly, raw materials begin transforming into the giant body of the airplane itself. And this is only the beginning. The fuselage is the main body of the airplane, and building it is like constructing the skeleton of a flying city. Robotic systems position every section with millimeter precision, because even tiny mistakes can become massive problems later. Thousands of rivet holes are drilled automatically. Some Boeing airplanes contain millions of rivets. Every single rivet must be installed correctly, because airplane manufacturing has almost zero tolerance for failure. Slowly, small metal sections become giant cylindrical structures, large enough to carry hundreds of passengers. Some fuselage sections are so massive, special transport systems are needed just to move them safely. At Boeing's Everett factory, entire airplanes are assembled simultaneously inside one of the largest buildings on Earth. Modern Boeing aircraft contain hundreds of miles of wiring, powering communication systems, lighting, navigation, and flight controls. Heavy structural floors are installed next, strong enough to support passengers, cargo, and years of flight stress. Then comes one of the most intense moments in airplane manufacturing: the engine start. These engines are powerful enough to move a machine weighing hundreds of tons across the sky. Slowly, the airplane begins looking less like raw metal and more like a real aircraft. But the wings are still missing. Airplane wings are engineering masterpieces. They don't just hold the airplane up, they create lift. The wings of large Boeing aircraft can stretch wider than many houses, and building them requires incredible precision. Inside the wings, massive structural supports called spars and ribs give the aircraft its strength. And here's the amazing part. Airplane wings are designed to flex, because flexibility helps absorb stress during turbulence. Once the structure is complete, fuel systems, hydraulic lines, and electrical networks are installed inside the wings. Giant robotic systems secure the outer wing skin. Thousands of fasteners are installed automatically. Laser systems constantly check alignment, because even tiny inaccuracies can affect aerodynamics. Flaps, ailerons, spoilers. Every moving surface must function perfectly. And now comes one of the most dramatic moments in airplane manufacturing: wing attachment. Massive cranes carefully position the wings beside the fuselage. The alignment process is extremely precise. Once positioned, powerful fastening systems secure the wings permanently. And suddenly, the airplane finally looks real. And now, the airplane is almost complete. But before it can carry passengers, it must survive some of the toughest testing procedures in manufacturing. Every Boeing airplane goes through extensive testing. Because safety is everything.
Every fastener, every panel, every system, everything gets checked repeatedly.
Fuel systems are tested next. Because reliability in the air is absolutely critical. The cabin is sealed and pressurized to simulate high-altitude flight conditions, helping engineers detect leaks or structural weaknesses. Meanwhile, inside the cabin, another massive process begins. Some airlines want luxury business cabins. Others maximize economy seating, which means every airplane can be slightly different. The cockpit becomes the brain of the airplane, filled with advanced digital systems and flight computers. Then electrical systems are powered on for the very first time. And suddenly, the airplane comes alive.
Before flight, male pilots perform taxi tests on the runway, while East Asian male engineers monitor performance data carefully.
Only after passing every inspection and test is the airplane approved for delivery, ready to enter the global airline industry.
Then finally, the biggest moment arrives. The first flight.